Okay. You start with just your name and your background.
Hi, I'm Darel Scott. I'm a graduate. Well, I just graduated from Stanford. Let me start over. It's gonna be in a video. Hi, my name is Darel Scott. I just graduated from Stanford, so now I'm a first-year grad student. My undergraduate degree was in Earth Systems, environmental science, with a focus on design, economics, policy, with the foundation on environmental science. My master's is going to be in sustainability.
And how did you hear about Design the Future, and why did you want to get involved?
Yeah, I heard about Design the Future through one of my closest friends. She's a mechanical engineer, and her and Darel had connected in some way, and she thought it was perfect for me. And I really appreciated that because as an Earth Systems major, I don't do a lot of mechanical engineering, but I do love the design thinking process, and I've taken a lot of classes at the Stanford d.school. So I know about the design thinking process, and I've made some low fidelity prototypes. But I wanted to use DTF, or Design the Future, as an opportunity to not only teach students the design thinking process, but also learn with them about how to use a drill press, or like a laser cutter, or 3D printer. So the variety of things, but I thought this was an opportunity for growth for me.
Cool. And what was the challenge that your group was working on?
We were working with Fernanda, and we were redesigning her lab space / purse. So we were trying to meet the need of her not being able to pull up to places. For example, she's at Starbucks. She doesn't want to sit at the table for people with wheelchairs. She wants to be able to sit freely wherever she wants, and so we redesigned the lab space where that she can take anywhere and that she can put in her purse.
Cool. And what did you get out of the program?
Yeah, I came into the program with a growth mindset. I really wanted to improve on my teaching skills and my speaking skills because I actually have had a fear of public speaking for a very long time, and so I put myself in front of 40 kids to get over it, I guess. It was a funny way to do it, but it really kept me on my feet. I had to do Stokes at the last minute. I had to teach prototyping when I have not done some of the things that I was teaching, and I had to ask someone on the team and learn it in 5 minutes and then go teach it in 5. So I was on my toes, and I think that was like the biggest thing I got from it. So I definitely got confidence with speaking in front of people and teaching people, and I learned some tricks from the different coaches, and I definitely observed how other people taught and communicated, and so it was nice to see someone speaking in front of a crowd and seeing kids light up, and I just was like, wow, like this is amazing, I'm changing lives here. So yeah, that's what I got out of the program. I also came away with like some cool projects, so I was able to laser cut some things, and so yeah, I might have to put them on my portfolio.
Okay, nice. Okay, so who? Don't ask. How do I know this? Who would you recommend, like, be a coach? Like, who do you think would make the best coaches, out there? Would you recommend like designers, teachers? Like, who would you say should coach?
If you fall, a great coach is anyone who falls under the bucket of designer, teacher, engineer, creative, a passionate person, fun. You don't have to have hard skills. I didn't have hard skills coming in. I didn't do any work in the product realization lab on campus. I had worked with popsicle sticks and cardboard and X-Acto knives before, but I had never done drill presses or casting, or I know some people had built tables in classes, and I was learning about the environment. So I definitely think anyone, if you're passionate about learning, this is a great opportunity to have access to these equipment choices and to teach people. And for me, I think the best way to learn something is to teach it, so I can walk away and say I have all these skills just from this week of the program. So if there is that one project you've always wanted to work on, you might get on a team where you can like learn that piece of equipment and like make that project at the end of the week. So yeah, anyone.
And would you do it again?
Definitely.
Nice.
I want to talk to Darel about it, actually.
Cool. Awesome.